Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on something I've never done before. I'm very excited about it. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the Charlotte Tilbury looks. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. I would love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. So guys, today I'm going to be doing the Uptown Girl look from Charlotte Tilbury. It is so cute. I love this look. You get 7 products in the kit and the kit is £165, 220 US dollars. Not that cheap, but when you think about the products you get, it's actually pretty good value for money. You get an eyeshadow palette, you get a liner, a mascara, a blusher, a lip liner, a lipstick and a lip gloss. So this is the look here. This is Uptown Girl. They've got it in fair, light, medium and deep. I went for the deep version of the kit. If you do already have any of the products from Charlotte Tilbury, then you can just do what I did and just kind of get the missing bits. This is the entire kit here. At first I'm going to start with the eyes. I do really like this, it's very icy. Very different, but it's quite flattering actually. Next I'm supposed to be putting the eyeliner on my upper lash line. So this is the classic eye pencil in the shade Classic Brown. It's a very dark rich brown. This eyeliner pencil, it's not the softest, it's not very smudgy or gentle on my lash line, so it does feel a bit rough, but I guess it's getting the job done. So she said next I should use the Full Fat Lashes mascara. It's not the most dramatic, but it's a really nice everyday. My only complaint with it is that it does transfer under the eyes. I do really like the eyes. I think they look really, really good. And yeah, I'm really happy with this so far. I really like this palette. Next, I'm gonna do lips. I'm using Foxy Brown. If you like MAC Chestnut, I'd probably still say go for the Pillow Talk Intense. But the Foxy Brown isn't bad. It's just quite close to my skin tone. Next it says to use the lipstick straight from the bullet, and I've got the lipstick in the shade Bitch Perfect. It is one of her kissing lipsticks, so it means it's slightly more creamy and not matte. Last on the lips, it is the Sweet Stiletto Lip Luster. I really like this packaging. Next and lastly is the Cheek to Chic blusher in the new shade that I have, Love is the Drug. This is very pink and I'm very nervous by it. It's so pink. So guys, that is my finished look. I hope you liked it. I do really like this entire kit. I think it's really cool. Is it worth £165? I think if you've got a look that you really like the look of, and it's a look you'll probably do a lot of times, and I think so, I would personally just buy the bits that you like the look of and do that. I think my favorite things that I've tried today are the eyeshadow palette and probably the lip gloss. Actually, I really wasn't expecting to like it. The lipstick is nice as well, so I really like how this turned out and I really like how it looks. I've also got a newfound appreciation for the Foxy Brown lip liner. I feel like it brought this lip together really nicely, so I'm glad I do have that. The blusher was okay. I'm not sure how much I love it, but yeah, I'm really glad I got a chance to try this out. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.